Okay, so firstly, let's go look at the health category in the US of A. Notice that health is bundled in with beauty as far as a top level node is concerned. Here's health and household. All right. So, first of all, is it hard to sell in the health category in the USA? Well, it depends. I mean, what the hell do you want to sell? Health in the USA has got millions of different products in it. Absolutely millions. So, is it hard to sell? It really does depend what you're going to sell. And you should be as specific as possible when you are assessing the relevant merits of a particular category or a particular product. You should be as specific as possible. Is it hard to sell diapers, nappies, whatever you want to call them, in America? Well, that also depends. Do you want to sell organic ones, or do you want to sell adult nappies, for instance, which I wear? I just had an awesome mental image of me in an adult nappy. Oh my God, that has tickled me so much. Anyway, enough of that. Where was I? I've completely messed up my train of thought. Yes, I know. I've scarred all of you for life too. So, you know, it really does depend what the hell you're selling. So with all these things, what you will find is this: the more specific a question you can ask, the better quality of answer you will get. Okay, so health is massive. Think about what is it you actually want to sell, and then do your research on that. Is health hard? Well, blanket, yes, it is hard to sell in health in America. However, if you're smart, you will always find opportunities. Always find opportunities if you go looking for them. Okay. What things should I be aware of? Well, you should be aware of this. The USA is the most competitive overall, all things considered, market on Amazon in the world. Out of all the different marketplaces, the USA is the most competitive. Therefore, it will also cost you the most money to launch your product on the USA, without a doubt. Out of all the categories, all things being equal, the USA will cost you the most, simply by virtue of the fact that there's more competition. You'll have to invest more in your launch as a result of that. If you think that through, that makes perfect sense. Which is why I think Amazon Australia is bloody awesome, because right now there isn't the competition, although it's gaining momentum for sure. There isn't a competition, therefore it's a lot cheaper and easier to secure extremely competitive keywords in other marketplaces very, very cheaply in Amazon in Australia, which is why I keep going on about it so much, because it's a limited time opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, limited time opportunity. What else should you also consider? Well, most of health is going to be gated, certainly in America, which is another reason not to sell in America. Certainly in America it is anyway. It's going to be gated, so you're going to have to get yourself ungated. It is, without a doubt, getting more and more difficult to ungate in America. Last time we did it, and I know what I'm doing, last time we did it, it was 9 attempts to ungate. 9 attempts. Turn down 8 times, submit 9 times. That's probably some motivational crap right there. So consider that too. You know, you're going to have to get yourself ungated. Probably, pretty much you'll have to do that. In Australia, it isn't the same. Lots and lots of things that are gated in America are not gated in Australia. Another thing to consider when you're choosing the marketplace for you to start in. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.